morning from Chiang Mai, day 6. We are heading down to a car rental place because we're going to go to Chiang Rai
this
tomorrow.
weekend.
Yes, that's the plan. So overnight in Chiang Rai. So we've been on booking.com. We looked on Airbnb, couldn't quite get what we were after, but booking.com seems to have some half decent places. So we're going to go down, see if we can get a car for today so we can set off tomorrow, or see what time we can pick it up tomorrow, and then depending on if we get one or come back with one or whatever happens, we're then going to head down into Chiang Mai town to go to Three Kings Monument and
some other temple.
And yeah, so and then I really need a nice coffee. This hotel's not got great coffee, it's a bit Tassimo style, and our last place had the best coffee, so we're on a bit of a coffee hunt this morning.
And it looks super hot outside, only to get hotter later, so yeah, let's get out before it gets too hot. See you later, bye. So it's super hot and we've just arrived at the Three Kings Monument. Slightly underwhelmed, I won't lie, even though I do remember seeing this on YouTube.
We Three Kings of Chai.
Mang. Chang. I think we're all going to see.
Should copy this, 3 of us.
If you like, honey.
I'm just going to join my group.
Don't know how he gets a swagger when he's pretending to join a group. So, this is it. We've all got some cool Thai names.
Become part of our pilgrimage. So we're calling at 7-Elevens. You've got ice cold espresso, Thai tea, choco boom, and some lemon lime stuff. And this is our iced tea. And girls are there. Tal's getting a big gulp, and so are they.
Shows you got Tal.
Got a big gulp. Big gulp.
Love a bit of mystical on this holiday. Some mystical water as we're walking past. Whoa. Very mystical. Loving it. Gives a rusty moped a run for its money, doesn't it? Hey. So currently in the process of actually hiring a car for 4 days. If you turn that thing around, then I can see what we're getting.
It's only 3,000 to rent a minivan.
So it's this one there, Honda City Turbo. Sounds fast. So wait, that's better. So we're renting it for today, which is Friday afternoon, and we're going to bring it back on Monday. Make the best use of it. So we're zipping around some places. Let's find some places to go. Yeah, and it's Friday today, so we're hopefully going to use it for, it's the Honda. Excellent.
We're all Hondas, don't we?
Yep. So here we go.
Yeah, sure. Video it, sorry.
I am doing.
Yeah.
Just going to dust it first.
Yeah, okay.
Give it a dusting. Nice. Good effort. Well, dust it off just in case. I don't. Don't think it's an issue, love, really.
He gets right.
So currently in the car and on our way back to the hotel, just to park it and get our bearings before we decide where we're going today.
But luckily, this boy's from Bradford, so I can drive.
So currently in the car, and we are on our way to Doi Suthep, which is about 45 minutes away. Nice air-conned car, considering it is 32 degrees today, so it's super hot. The kids are happy, currently sat in the back, enjoying some iPad time, phone time, and we're just enjoying the roads like we do at home, because it's exactly the same. So we'll see you at Doi Suthep. Just pulled over the car because there was a viewpoint on the side of the road, so we're just going to go and have a look at this nice viewpoint while Lou does that.
It would try to take me to ice cream stop right back in Chiang Mai.
What, when?
It must know about my belly.
So we're just going to go and have a look at this viewpoint. Looks rather nice. How you doing with this up here?
A bit dizzy.
It's pretty high up. That is a view though.
Woo! Oh, are you?
We just parked up at Doi Suthep and we're having
windy.
a walk down. It is windy, but don't let that deceive you. It is absolutely roasting.
Whoa.
So it's like cheeky, sneaky wind. So I'm glad of it. Show you around and we'll get paid in and take it from there. We're about to climb the famous steps up to Doi Suthep. So it's those dragon steps.
Yep. Or Doi Suthep.
Yeah, whichever. And yeah, I'm going to film it and I'm just going to speed it up and probably cut this to some mystical music because mystical is our kind of word of the week.
It is.
So,
Big
yeah.
mystical water earlier.
I'll
so
see you
go
at
with
the
it.
top when I'm blowing out my bum.
Just stopped off at this place on the way back from Doi Suthep or Suthep. So we're going to go see if we can actually go paddle in some nice water. Water.
It's jungle time.
Look at it. Well impressive.
Jungle time.
Are you shouting jungle?
Jungle time, Tal. Jungle time.
You can see it already.
What time is it? Jungle time.
Jungle time. Waterfall time. Mexico time.
We made it to the waterfalls. It's nice, look there. Nice. So it cost 100 each to get in and 30 for parking. So not the
Kids were
cheapest
50.
of waterfalls.
Kids were 55.
Yeah, but still a little bit expensive. But we're here and it looks ace, so we're going to climb down now and go take a look and maybe get a cheeky paddle or two. Made it to the waterfall and it really is beautiful, as you can see. So it is worth it, a little expensive but kind of worth it. But it's really slippy, Tal and Ava slipped. More steps. Ava's just jumped and headbutted a big giant log. Nearly knocked herself out. No video proof though. And let me turn this around so you can see what we're climbing up. It was about 5 minutes, not even that. So not 20 minutes, Google Maps having a laugh. So here we're at the second waterfall. Looks good. We're going to continue on this path because Todd's convinced there's another waterfall. I don't think there is, but it's worth it just to win, because if I'm right then I'm ace, and if she's right I get another waterfall. So let's go, we'll speed this up. We just got out of that jungle trek. Talia got scared, she thought we were going to get eaten by tigers, didn't you, Tal?
I saw a spider.
And she saw a spider.
Bit sweaty.
Yeah, a bit stinky, but yeah, really good. Really worth. Good. It's well worth 100 bar each now, so I've changed my mind.
And it was super quiet and nobody were there. It was gorgeous.
Yeah, we won't put the link in the description though. So that's it, we're back at Digs now. We've got our Bluetooth speaker and we've got listening to some tunes and we've got some Singer beers and we've made pasta and cheese and stuff today. So we're going to not go out tonight because everyone's exhausted, but it's been an absolute ace day. That car has just made it awesome. The plan tomorrow is to go to Doi Suthep National Park, which will be amazing. So we're going to get up early doors and head down there and see what that's about. And tonight we're just going to watch a movie and yeah, call it quits. Bye.